Are you looking to buy a home? Well, download your home buyer guide using the link in the description. I'll show you from start to finish how to purchase a home here in the Atlanta metro market. I'll make sure that you're confident and comfortable with the entire process. And if you would like me as your realtor, book your discovery call today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.